What's up, YouTube? I'm back. Had a couple things happen to me, and I'm sorry that I wasn't able to do some videos in the last 2 weeks, but I'll explain more right after this intro.
Let go of everything.
Thank you for watching that intro. First things first, if you're a newcomer here, welcome. If you're somebody that's already subscribed, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing some stuff for my tax guy. I already have everything cut out. I'll show you in the black. If you can see that. This guy, I've been dealing with him for about 6 years now. And he's been very good to me. So anytime he needs shirts or he's doing, giveaways as an appreciation and stuff like that, I tend to do things that he wants me to do, and I try to do them in a rush. On top of the 8 shirts, I also have some hats he brought me in that I have to do as well. But for the sake of the shortness of this video, I'm only going to do 3 and just show you the way they look. You guys already know I got my temperatures catching up to me here. So yeah, let's dive right into why I haven't made videos in the last 2.5 weeks. I actually fell in the hospital. I have a problem with my intestinal tract that I have a hole. I think they call it diverticulitis. So for some of you guys that follow me, even my family and friends that follow me, you guys know I've been in and out of the hospital this year. I've had 2 surgeries already. I've had a hip surgery, and I've also had weight loss surgery. Of course, that's why you see me lose 100-something pounds in the year that I've had it done. I did it for my health. Driving a truck wasn't the greatest for me, so I had to do these things in order to get rid of diabetes, high blood pressure, you name it. So now I'm medicine free, except for now I'm taking medicine because, of course, I have a hole in my intestine that has to be fixed. And I will be having surgery, hopefully within the next 2 weeks. So I'm going for a lot of testing right now. So you guys might see a few videos here and there, if God permits. So yeah, I've been having a rough 2 weeks. So just like I said, bear with me, guys. I love doing videos for you guys, so I'm gonna try to do the most videos I can. Whether I'm in pain or not in pain, I'm gonna try to do as much work as I can. To get right to it, I'm gonna be doing some collared shirts and also some button-down shirts, which I think my press is up to par now. If you guys know me, usually I put it on the shirt right away. But since I'm only doing 3 and it's going right above the pocket, as you can see, it's a big guy, so it's going to be going right above the pocket. I'm going to be using a press pillow for this because, of course, the pocket seam. Let me just get this on here real quick. Now he just needs these as not as fast as possible, but some way fast because he's got some meetings to go to and he wants some new shirts because I had this shirt for him before, and yeah, they came out great. So we'll just pre-press this real quick, loosen this up real quick as well. Just trying to get the steam off this. I wish I didn't have to go through all that, but unfortunately, the Lord works in mysterious ways, and when he wants you to go, he wants you to go. So that's the reason why I haven't been able to do videos. But like I said, I apologize, but my health did come first, and videos come second, of course. Yeah, for this shirt, this blue shirt, we're going to be doing the gold. Yeah, I haven't been able to do a few jobs. I had got an order not too long ago, but I just can't do it. I was, like I said, last week I was in the hospital for 3 days because of this issue. So, you know, hey, health is first, right? So here we go. I'm just gonna line it up as best as I can by eye. Doesn't have to be perfect. Ain't nobody gonna notice. Just as long as it looks good to me, it'll look good to anybody else, right? That's the name of the game. If it looks good to me, it'll look good for everybody else. All right, so that looks about good to me. All right, let me chomp this down real quick. 15 seconds for 305 degrees. So while I was gone for two and a half weeks, leave in the comments. Tell me what you guys been doing. What kind of projects you guys been coming up with. You know, what have you done? I would love to see them, even though I'm not working and I'm not doing too many things. See, this shirt is not gonna come out right. Let me put some more pressure on that because I didn't like the way that one came out. And we'll do it for another 15 seconds because I try to do it, but I guess there's moisture on it, so it's not releasing it. And you guys know me, usually I have them all laid out, ready to go, but fortunately, I wasn't able to do that with these. I was able to do it, so like I said, guys, when you get used shirts from customers, you gotta be very careful because if they use fabric softener, they use any kind of chemicals, it could be a little bit of a nightmare for you to paste on stuff. So I've done pressed this like 4 to 5 times already. And it seems to be on there. But this is stuff that I can't guarantee because it's not something that's new. So when the customer comes, I'll let him know, be like, look, you know, because it's a used shirt, I won't be able to guarantee it, but you guys can see, still came out pretty good. And it's on there, so, but you can feel in the material, you can smell the fabric softener on there. So that's one thing, guys, always make sure anything that you do it with brand new clothes. I do not accept or press anything used, but because this is my accountant, I'm like, you know, I'm in the middle because this guy hooks me up all the time and I have to do it, you know? So I like to keep, you know, I like to keep my stuff with him good. So this one right here is going to be getting the black decal. I'm going to be using the press pillow again. I am going to pre-press it. This shirt is new. He only gave me, I think it was 2 used ones that I might have an issue with. But for the most part, these are new. So again, just pre-pressing it. This one's gonna actually get black. That's what he wanted on it. Yeah, the other one was giving me a little bit of a hard time. I have no, I don't know why, but. All right, so this one I'll put right over it. You know, I wasn't gonna edit this, but it looks like I'm gonna be editing this video in and out. That looks good to me. Let it go there for 15 seconds. And we'll see. Like I said, this one feels new. I mean, all the other ones got tags except for one more. So I'm hoping that, I think that shirt is used as well, so. Oh yeah, this one you could tell is used. You could smell it when you start heat pressing it. But it looks like this one he didn't use. He didn't use fabric softener on this one because it came off pretty easy. So this one worked out. One more press. It's a pre-press to get that going. I'm sorry about the noise outside. There's a gentleman that lives 2 houses down. He fixes motorcycles and stuff like that. So he's testing out a motorcycle back and forth. All right. Take the press pillow out of here. So this is the way that one looks, guys. I know it's kind of hard to see, but that's what he wanted. He wanted black. So maybe if I get a little closer, if you can see it. Now, one more shirt for the video, guys, and then we'll go off. Like I said, I always like to do new shirts. It's just my way of doing things. I don't like to do used shirts because it's not guaranteed for it to stick on the way it's supposed to. Make sure everything's good here. This one, he's gonna get the white. You know, like I said, I do it for this guy because he is a heart with me. You know, any issues I got, he deals with it. If I have to deal with something with IRS, he goes down to IRS personally and handles it for me. He is a great guy. All right, so that looks good there, guys. 15 seconds. So yeah, man. So now I gotta go through all this, and then I'm gonna have another surgery after this. I'm hoping it's probably gonna be next year sometime. I have to get the excess skin cut off because I have too much. I'm down to 180 pounds from 355 that I was. And I mean, don't get me wrong, I love it. I feel a lot more healthier. I feel a lot more energetic. My wife says I got too much energy now, which, I mean, hey, I probably do, but it's a big change for me. I'm still wearing, you know, some 3X shirts that I have laying around. I mean, I don't want to buy any clothing until I get to my down bottom because I'm still losing, believe it or not. And yeah, I won't buy nothing until I know where I'm gonna stand at, because you know, you go all the way down to your bottom, then you climb up slowly. All right, guys, so this is the third one that I said. If you can see the white. I know it's kind of hard, but I do what the customer asks. He wanted white, he gets white. That's the name of the game. The other one's got different colors. I even got one shirt that's black that's getting pink on it. So it's what the customer wants, not what you want. They're paying for it. All right, guys, so that was just a quick video to let you know, I'm still doing what I gotta do even though I'm hurt. Like I said, I'm going into surgery hopefully within the next 2 weeks. I've got a couple of scannings and stuff like that I have to do this week coming up. I'll try to do a video on that. That way you guys can see what I'm going through. But I will be back soon if God permits. And I'll be doing videos like I always do. Guys, on this note, don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. Peace.